Maduagan nga nagbukas ang Western Visayas Athletic Association o Conwebra Amit kang Domingo, Febrero 5, 2017 sa Binirayan Sports Complex sa Banwa kang San Jose. Ang pagbukas kang hinampang ginpartisiparan kang linibo ka mga atleta, technical officials kag mga bisita halin sa 5 ka kaprobinsyahanan sa rehiyon sa East nga ginabugos kang Antique, Guimaras, Capiz kag Aklan kagamuman mga tumalanaw. Nangin dinapit nga bisita sa pagbukas kang sangkasimana nga hinampang sa Manila Teachers Party List Representative Paul Sembrano kag DepEd Assistant Secretary for Legal Affairs Attorney Josephine Maribuhok.
Highlights one of the best qualities of our culture, the love of sports. I am deeply honored for this opportunity to further promote the love of culture and sports in all sectors of our society, which form part of the foundations of a good basic education that is both responsive to the changing times and reflective of the ingenuity of our people. Indeed, the love of sport and the power of education to change lives is something that unites us all.
Failure is an opportunity to try harder to get even better. So that is what I would like to be key. That is what I would like to emphasize. That in sports, attitude is very, very important. And one key attitude is sportsmanship. Sportsmanship means playing fair, hindi po ba? It means treating others with respect. It means playing in a team and understanding the needs of your teammates. It also means knowing how to handle winning and losing graciously. Yan pong mga nabanggit na yan, totoo po yan, hindi lamang sa sports. Treating others with respect, being sensitive to other people, helping those in need, trying to be there as a team member, having the courage and the determination to succeed, yet playing fair and learning from our failures and mistakes, coupled with hard work and commitment to excellence. Those are the things that make up the recipe or formula for success in life. And so this regional meet is not just about sports. It is about life. Tungkol po ito sa buhay. At yan po ang gusto namin ituro.
Presente man sa okasyon si Philippine Sports Commission Chairman Butch Ramirez. Sa anang entrance, nagpakita kang andang mga kaugalingan nga pakulo ang mga delegado, agad mamanan ang andang pagsulod.
Schools Division Superintendent Roslyn Barda.
Sa tion kang pagpresentar sa mga delegasyon, ang mga atleta ang ginhangkat kang andang natungdan ng mga lideres.
We are proud to present to you 554 athletes from the province and city of Iloilo. 107 coaches and chaperones. 46 trainers, 113 delegation officials, total of 820 members of the delegation. Mabuhay ang delegation ng Iloilo.
Halin sa probinsya sa Guimaras, may 392 ka-athletes 66 coaches, 14 assistant coaches, totaling 493 delegation, stronger than ever, halin sa probinsya ng Guimaras. The island that fits your taste, Mayo.
It is my honor and pride to present you the delegation from the province of Capiz. The unbeatable 360 sturdy, strong athletes from elementary, secondary, and Paralympics categories. 118 dependable coaches, assistant coaches, chaperones, and trainers ready to compete and win the gold and gather more friends in this 2017 Western Visayas Regional Athletic Association meet. Arrancada Capiz!
To present to all of you the 740 strong force of Team Aklan, broken down as follows: 491 athletes, 169 coaches, assistant coaches, chaperones and trainers, and 80 administration personnel and staff. Padayon nga pag-abante Aklan, sulong dasig Aklan, daguntar medalyang bugawan para sa kadungganan naton tanan. Halabira, halabira, Team Aklan!
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm presenting to you 462 athletes of the province of Antique with 70 coaches, 107 all in all. The beautiful province of Antique would like to challenge and pick up the challenge to all of you, to our guests, to a friendly competition.
Nanginharandaman man ang pagsulad kang 2017 Wevra logo banner kag kang Torch of Friendship amuman pagpasiga kang earn nga ginbase sa maragtas kang Olympics pero ginpartisiparan ka mga lokal natin nga mga ati. Ang Torch of Friendship ginpasa ni DepEd School Sports Division Chief Cesar Abalon sa mga national kag international Antiqueño athletes hasta sa masindihan ang earn.
I declare the 2017 Western Visayas Regional Athletic Association meet open!
Matapos ang pag-anunsyar kang formal nga pagbukas kang Wevra meet, gin-entertainarang tanan sa performance kang mga nagdaraag sa Binirayan 2016 Malay Atik kag Karsadyan competition halin sa banwa kang Hamtik si Baste kag Libertad. Sundan kang sang kamakarbo nga fireworks display.
Division at salamat kinsa ninyo. Thank you so much. Thank you Regional Director Joe.
May 25 kalakip ang mga special events kag demo sports ang masaksihan sa 5 kaadlaw nga Wevra Meet sa nagalain-lain nga mga playing venue sa banwa kang San Jose, Sibalom kag Hamtik. Kay imo kay Erwin Ricarce para sa Balitalakayan Update, Joy Petron Vego.